The Thermaltake A500 aluminum TG mid-tower features a sleek aluminum front panel and two 4mm tempered glass panels for breathtaking views. Enjoy 420 and 360 rad support at the front and top respectively, and breeze through installation with a dismantleable modular design. Step up your case game with the A500 aluminum TG and click on the link below for more info. Alright y'all, so the holiday season has me feeling a bit more generous than usual. So I'm gonna do something kind of special for all my fans and subscribers who live in the local area near me in Los Angeles and Orange County. I have brought with me, Wifey Sauce and I, who refuses to be on camera because she just woke up, we brought with us a gaming PC with a Core i5-8400 quad-core CPU and a GTX 1070 Ti from Zotac. So right now we're actually rolling around in one of the cities near us, and we're gonna go to a secret drop-off location and tweet a picture of that location, and the first person to recognize exactly where we are, get their asses down here and touch the computer, will be taking it home for theirs to keep. There's really not much else to this video, guys, I'm sorry, but I thought it would be a cool way to sort of give back to some of you guys who live in my area. And if you guys remember, I'm also giving away a gaming PC, or maybe I already gave it away, on the charity stream on December 8th that I did with Paul. So that was for anyone who wasn't local in the area, so everyone kind of gets something. All right, I think we're here now at the drop-off spot, so let's set up. So just for confirmation, here's the PC on the table, and right next to it is a fountain with our iconic photo up. So here it is, here's the tweet. The race starts now. All right, here goes nothing. No takesy backsies. It's out there, it's out there. I guess now we wait. I suppose that's how this works. Dude, oh my God, come on, hurry. Touch it, dude. Touch it. Come on, hurry, quick.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, that was like 6 minutes. That was literally like 6 minutes.
No, I live in Brea. I live like down the street.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I saw your tweet and I'm like, oh my gosh, I know where that's at. Jumped in my car, like, was hauling like all the way here.
No way, dude.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's awesome, dude.
I can't believe that.
Did you see any of my teaser tweets from earlier? Or?
Yeah, so
Okay.
I follow your YouTube channel and I saw your post yesterday.
Why, of course.
And I was like, okay, like, so I went on Twitter and I was like watching that, and then I saw your post this morning and I'm like, I know where he's at. I was like, I know that chase bank. Like, I know where he's going. And I was like, no freaking way he's coming like this way.
So when you saw the tweet drop of the actual location, did you just immediately drop everything you were doing and just haul ass over here?
Immediately. My heart was beating so fast. Like, I was waiting at a light and like there was these bicyclists next to me, like just waiting. I'm like, please hurry up. Like, please hurry up.
All right, be honest, did you speed it all?
A little bit.
We won't say anything. We won't turn you in. Did you not have any work or school today? Were you just like sitting around? Like what?
So I'm a graduate student at Cal State Fullerton. Social work.
Nice.
I don't have class this morning. I have class this afternoon. So it was the one day that I was like, I'm off in the morning. Didn't have anything to do. So we
were actually speculating that the winner might be a college student who didn't have class hours at this time. So was anyone home with you or in your dorm or anything? It was just you.
My wife took off this morning. I was just on my computer watching videos and with the Twitter feed just like refreshing every 5 seconds. Like, and man, this is crazy.
That's awesome, dude. Well, hey, dude, this is your system, Core i5 GTX 1070 Ti, and it is now yours. So you get to walk home with this thing today.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much, man. This is so sick.
I just want to give you a quick look at the system before you take it home, just so you have an idea of what you're working with. If you guys remember Man vs. Build, where Jay and I did speed builds inside of a Lamborghini and a Ferrari, the system's actually comprised of most of the parts that were featured in that video. So I did have to make a couple minor upgrades because at some point during the build, we messed something up. It was probably me. So I actually had to swap out the motherboard, and now it's an Asus ROG Strix B360i Gaming, which is a fantastic board. It's got M.2 support, USB 3.1 Gen 2, and it does have built-in Wi-Fi, which is also pretty nice for a mini ITX board. We've also got 16 gigs of HyperX Fury DDR4. Cooling our Core i5-8400 is a C7 from CryoRig. It's a nice little low-profile cooler. It does the job. We're not overclocking here, so it should be plenty of cooling capacity for our needs. We also have a 750 watt, I think it's an Integra amp from Fractal, and of course the lovely Zotac GTX 1070 Ti Mini, which just goes oh so perfectly inside this case. And here's a quick look at our 240 game Savage SSD from HyperX. But for the most part, dude, you're pretty much good to go. And we have a second. We have a second placer. Sir, you've arrived Just short, but commendable effort. You are second. We have something for you as well, which also reminds me I should probably tweet that race is over so people stop coming. So that's your rig, man. What do you think?
Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Blown away.
So I just pop it over here. I'll screw it in, and it's all yours.
Awesome.
Thanks again, man. All right, now we did have a runner-up. Your name, sir? Nathan. Nice to meet you, sir. You actually came in a couple minutes right after Matthew, but you are the only other one here. And I do have something for you, too. We're going to give you a $100 Amazon gift card just for showing up. Where were you coming from?
I was coming from Lahawk.
Okay, so that's maybe, what, 5 miles away or something like that?
Yeah, a little less.
And so were you just like sitting at home and you saw the tweet and you just kind of dropped what you were doing, or?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for showing up, man. We still got that prize for you, so congratulations, I guess.
Great meeting.
Of course, yeah, great meeting you too. Well, that was a ton of fun. I cannot believe just how quickly Matthew got over here. And even Nathan. Nathan was only a couple minutes after, but this was a ton of fun. So I'll probably be doing it again in a different area, most likely, so that gives other people in various other parts of town a chance to win something cool. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. Toss a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and get subscribed for more tech stuff coming at you really soon. You just might win a gaming PC. Have a good one, guys. I'll see ya in the next video.